Today we look in this video. How to start corrugated roof sheet business. A roof sheet fabricating business produces roof sheets in different arrangements, folded, upset box rib, covered fix and so on. This business includes purchasing the moves of level sheet metal from a producer, for example, Mittal and afterward manufacturing, slicing it to measure and afterward exchanging it to a structure flexibly organization, tool shops or even legitimately to the exchange. These corrugated roof sheets are basically a derived demand. Corrugated roof sheets are widely used as a wall or roof of factories, warehouse, cinema, garage, exhibition centers and more, have majorly been in demand because of the riding contribution of construction sectors and real estate to India's GDP. Market potential. These corrugated roof sheets are made of gentle steel, at that point aroused to look for the benefit of resistance against consumption and expanded strength of its administration life. These electrified sheets fill in as a base material for various sorts of corrugated sheets like bi-PVC plastisol covered roof sheets. The agricultural structures utilize these sheets in view of their extensive life expectancy and financial effectiveness. The modern plants like industrial facilities, distribution centers utilize these as roofs and dividers on account of its restricted practicality. The business employments of these roof sheets goes as far giving roofs and dividers in carports, patios, sheds and so on due to their monetary effectiveness in India. License required for roof sheets business. All the units which consuming 5 HP power consumption or above are necessary to take NOC or sanction from Pollution Control Board. It is also necessary to register in GST network as it is deals with goods and service. And factory license in India under FA 1948, factory permit from local authority, manufacturing license under Product Certification Scheme of Bureau of India Standards, BIS, ISO 9001, 2015 certificate. Area required for the business. In starting in this business you need total land area for the envisaged plant could vary between 1000 square meters to 2000 square meters. This building will be equipped with the space to install machines, to stock raw material and finished product including office space. Investment required for business. Now you can consider the investment expenditures to establish this kind of a unit. As all other businesses, the major investment expenditures for roofing sheet forming business are also investment on building, machinery and electricity. The roofing sheet forming machine will be about 25 lakh rupees. And others like raw material, manpowers, and building is depending on your business size. Raw materials required for roof sheet business. The important raw material used for producing corrugated iron sheets is plain iron sheets. Depending on the required thickness of the iron sheet, the product can be of gauge thickness of 32 mm, 30 mm and 28 mm. Auxiliary materials required by the plant include printing ink, wooden stands, lead and sulfuric acid. Machinery for roofing sheet making business. There are different types of making machinery for roofing sheet making business. The roofing sheet forming machines can be used for this process. High-quality machines and materials are available in the market to form sheets. Roofing sheet forming machines are offered by various companies. 3 kinds of machines are involved in this process: forming machine, cutting machine and blending machine. Roof sheets production process. The production process of making corrugated iron sheet consisted of cleaning the rust and other ingredients from the plain iron sheet, then drying by dry, hot air. Then the iron sheet is passed into the molten lead to attain the required thickness. It is then dried by forced air from where it is fed to feeding table by a suitable hoist or crane. Then they are conveyed to the corrugating machine. After corrugation, the product is passed to correcting machine where deformation is corrected. The product is then cut to standard size and trademark of the company is printed. Target market and marketing. The target market is the building trade, but the main thing is how to take your product to market when you have existing competition. Can you produce a comparable product for cheaper so that retail outlets, building supplier, hardware, will carry your product, or do you cut out the middleman, retail outlet, and sell direct to the trade? Then your location has to be just right. Being an industrial good, its marketing strategy doesn't require the extensive marketing but is limited to highlighting its premium quality roof sheets with low maintenance and durability through a mere word of mouth and media advertising could be suffice. We hope in this video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like in this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends.